말 한마디에 천냥 빚도 갚는다.
Let's translate it literally. A word can repay even a debt of 1,000 nyang. Similar English proverb, a soft answer turns away wrath, means that speaking a kind and sincere word can help you resolve difficult situations or conflicts more easily than you may expect.
말 한 마디에 천냥 빚도 갚는다.
In terms of grammar,
한
means one,
마디에
means in a word or in a phrase,
이천냥
is an old Korean monetary unit but no longer used. If I had to put the value into it, it would be around $75,191. And it is used here to represent a significant amount of debt.
이 빚도
Means debt also, indicating that the proverb is saying that even a debt, which is considered very large, can be paid with a kind word.
갚는다.
Is the present tense form of the verb.
갚다. 말 한마디에 천냥 빚도 갚는다.
A word can repay even a debt of 1,000 nyang.